Hi, see you again in video on energy management system. Often asked, personally, I'm often asked about what exactly uh, I'm doing when I say that I'm providing energy management system consultancy service, comparing with others. Honestly, I don't have the answer because at the same time, I don't know what other consultants are exactly doing when they define or when they deliver their own services. I don't know. Normally, consultancy services for energy management system based on ISO 50001 normally for certification. For certification, that's normally what are required in the market. But to me, how I have been doing, I have been using the ISO 50001 as the main document that I have been referred. Okay, I've been referring. Okay, on helping companies to manage their energy systematically, regardless of whether they want to get certified or not. Even when I was a registered electrical energy manager, I refer to that document when I help my client, even though they engage me as the registered electrical energy manager just to comply to the legal requirement. I always package my service with that requirement. Is that I help company part of meeting the legal requirement. I also package the development and implementation of energy management system as part of that package. Means that I've been helping companies using this document in order for them to develop the proper energy management system for their organizations. So I've been doing that since 2012. So if you ask me to compare, I don't know whether others are doing the same thing or not. Because for me, ISO 50001 is just the standard on energy management. So it can be used either for certification or just adoption to have a proper system. And now, with the enforcement of the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act 2024, I use this document as the main document in order for energy consumers to comply to the requirement to develop and implement energy management system for them. So the use of this ISO 50001 standard is beyond just certification to me. So if you ask me what exactly I do, okay, typically what I often heard and often being told in the market, typical management system consultants for certification, they provide training, okay, on understanding the system requirement and also preparing, developing or guiding or preparing, in particular, I think the right way is helping the company to prepare the common documents such as manual, SOPs or work instructions. So basically preparing documents as required for the system based on the standard. For me, okay, documents only one part of many other parts in the consultancy for energy management system. For me, what I've been doing since 2013 now, expanded to my team. I have my own team now. I have now 5 full-time consultant, energy management system consultant, helping me to help my client, to guide my client, basically to facilitate them, to help them, to assist them, whatever other words you can see, okay, to consult, have a consulting session with them on how to develop the energy management system step by step as required in the standard. So as a consultant for energy management system, we are not only providing services to prepare documents, Because to my understanding, in energy management system ISO 50001, this is the standard that has the least new documents. But we'll have a lot. I think we have the most data or energy related data that to be collected, okay, analyzed, and then interpreted and reported, and also all must be properly documented. That's the difference between, I believe, between ISO 50001 compared to other ISO management systems such as 14001, 45001, or even 9001. That is my understanding. So that's why in my consultancy service under Great Places Sdn Bhd, the cost of developing the documents such as manual, SOP, or work instruction is not that much. I would say not even 30%, maybe 10 to 20% only. Not much. Because the most of the cost going to the man hours spent by each consultant, or one or more than one consultant assigned for every client. The man hours spent on what? On guiding the assigned personnel at the client side to develop and implement the energy management system based on the standard, either for certification, to legal compliance, or other purposes. That's what we do. We are not only preparing documents. With that, we guide, okay? We assist, okay? We facilitate, okay? We train, okay? Each of the assigned personnel that work with us from the client side to develop, to experience the process of developing and implementing the right energy management system according to the standard. Step by step. Because for us, we are not doing it for them. We are helping them, we are guiding them, because they'll be their system. Means that they will experience the process of developing and implementing the system, so that later they can sustain and continually improve the system. So that's what exactly we do. So that's why if you ask me to compare, I don't know who are doing the same thing, or something related to what we do. We don't know. There may be somebody out there. After all, we are not the only one. We are not the only consultant or trainer that can provide consultancy for ISO 50001. There are many out there. Okay. So that's basically what we do. That's how I would describe. For example, how to develop the system properly. For example, how to conduct proper energy review process, how to establish proper energy performance indicator, energy baseline, when to review, when to make changes and all that. Exactly. So basically, we are building the in-house capacity of the company or organization or the client on how to have a system that they can sustain. We are not doing just documentation. It's not just documentation for information. So that's what I've been doing since 2012 until 2022. I'm doing all that alone. Okay, but from 2023, I started to train more new consultants. Now I have 5 full-time consultants with me, excluding myself. Okay, fairly young, who I will groom. Okay, I will groom them to become the next future and younger energy management system consultant for me to carry on to expand the company, not me. So that's what exactly we do as a consultant and trainer for energy management system based on the ISO 50001. Okay, we are not just doing documentations. That's just one small part of the system. That's why they're not even a system. It's just part of documenting the system. That's all. It's not the system. Okay, the system is the overall requirement as outlined in the standard. This is somehow practice, okay, and should be able to demonstrate the energy performance improvement for the company or for each client. So far, alhamdulillah, we have helped over 30 companies, okay, over 30 companies certified by ISO 50001, and more than, I would say, 60 companies adopted the system itself. Okay, adopted the system, not for certification, and now for legal compliance under EECA 2024. Okay, you want us to help you, you can reach me. Okay, or reach us through, you go to zaini4ee.com.